Alrighty, guys, so it's a sea of green out there today. It's currently around, what time is it? Almost noon on the East Coast, and I want to go over 3 stocks in this video, like you guys saw in the title, that are exploding right now. We're going to break down the charts. We're going to go over entry and exit points, what I'm looking to do. So if y'all find value, smash that like button, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to get up to 16 stocks from Moomoo. It is free money. Use that link down below, or simply go to stasurfest.com/Moomoo, and mind you guys, each of these stocks could be valued up to $2,000. Once you open up an account, you get 1 free share of stock right off the bat, and once you fund your account with at least $100, you get 5 more stocks, totaling 6 stocks, and fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 16 free stocks. So if you guys want some free money, who doesn't like free money, use that link down below, and of course, that link helps out the channel, guys. I appreciate you all as always. Cheers, and now let's dive right into the video. So the first stock, which you guys can see right here, it's right on the screen. It is Netflix, ticker symbol NFLX, and currently it's up over $1, it's up 1.6%. I read the wrong number there, guys. Up over $6 per share, and now it's actually breaking back over $400 per share, which a couple of days ago we hit that, I believe. Where did we hit? 405. That was on Monday, right? Yeah, that was on Monday, I believe, or Tuesday. Either way, yeah, we hit 405 on Tuesday, right? Monday was Memorial Day. The markets were closed. We hit 405, and we've been consolidating for pretty much the past 2 days, and now we're starting to break up towards the highs from Tuesday morning, again being 405. And the fact that we recently broke out of this main resistance here, let me pull the 4-hour up, guys. You can see a couple months ago we hit roughly, where was that? 380. We actually triple topped at about 380, 370 back in February, heading into the middle of February. And recently, a couple days ago, I think that was on Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday, the first day of trading this week, we ended up breaking out completely above those highs from February, end of January as well, 370, 380. So that's a really good sign for the bulls, and we ran a 405. And look at this. What's an even better sign for the bulls is the fact that we hit 405. We then pulled back. We hit 380, 385, and we actually bounced off of that. That was yesterday, guys, and now we're building off of those gains from yesterday, which actually we might have had a red day on Netflix yesterday. I'm not too sure. Either way, it was a pretty flat day overall for the stock. But the fact that we held 380 not only yesterday, but the day before that as well on Tuesday, that's a really good sign for the bulls. And again, now we're building off that support. We're building on those gains. And to me, guys, this looks like an ascending triangle in the very short term. Let me show you this. We have a clear resistance now at about 405, but at the same time, we've been making these higher lows for a couple of days. So I'm going to set my alert at 405 here on Netflix, and we'll see where it could go from there. I mean, 410, 415, that's where it could break out to, at least in my opinion. And of course, guys, these are all my opinions. I'm not telling you guys to go do anything out there. I'm just pointing out levels that I'm looking at, and I just whacked the mic a little bit, but I'm pointing out levels that I'm looking at, and it is what it is. We'll see how it ends up playing out. And another thing worth mentioning is, to play devil's advocate, it is a little bit overbought on the 4-hour chart, but clearly the bulls don't care about that today. Again, it's up 1.5%, breaking back over $400 per share. So let's see what direction it ends up picking. You know, we broke out of 380. Now, if we break 405, will we get that 410, 415 move, or will this start to come down a little bit, maybe back towards the moving averages, anywhere from 370, 375. Time will tell, guys. What do you think? Let me know down below in the comments. But overall, that is stock number 1, Netflix. And the second stock is Chewy. Let me pull that up and show you guys this. Chewy today is up 23%. And you guys probably saw they reported earnings yesterday, and their stock, I think, was at, what, $29 yesterday. It went down on the day, I believe. But either way, yeah, we hit a low of $29 yesterday, and now we're pushing 37. At one point, we were actually almost at $39, guys. Unbelievable. So Chewy at one point was up 29% off the lows, and on the day so far, it's up 23.5%. Pretty intense there for Chewy. And now with this move, guys, we're finally starting to break out. We're breaking out of the 50 SMA, the 180 SMA. We're taking out the highs from the past couple of weeks, and we're trading at a multi-week high. We haven't been in the mid-high 30s since back in the end of March, early April. So it's been about 2 months since we've been at these levels. And again, this is after they reported earnings. And let me see here quickly. We talked about this yesterday, but let me see exactly what they ended up reporting. It looks like they did, what was EPS? 20 cents on an adjusted basis. Sales came in at 2.78 billion. All right. Looks like last year they did 4 cents. So that's a huge jump year over year from 4 cents to 20 cents. And they beat on sales, 2.78 billion versus 2.73 billion expected. So pretty good, guys. Profit. It's nice that they reported a profit. And this company, I believe, is very inconsistent when it comes to their earnings. It looks like one quarter they're profitable, the next they lose money, then they're profitable, then they lose money. And that's how it is sometimes with companies that are, growth companies. They're more in the early stage, and they're still growing nicely, decent, right? And they're reinvesting a lot. I mean, they're losing money. Essentially, their goal is not really to have the most attractive EPS, at least in the short term, right? They're looking to really maximize growth and then focus on becoming profitable, right? That's what I'm assuming here Chewy's looking to do. But either way, they're breaking out. Let's see how this goes. I mean, personally, I'm going to wait for a little pullback, but once we do get something like that, maybe to 33, 34, 35, I'm going to be there to look to potentially buy the dip. And that's just me, guys. I'm not telling you what to do, but I'm loving this breakout overall on Chewy. And another one here that I'm looking at, guys, is Roblox, ticker symbol RBLX. This is currently up another 1%, up 40 cents on the day. And what we have right here is a stock that's slowly starting to break out. We're above the moving averages on the 4-hour chart, the 50 and the 180 SMAs. We have an inverse head and shoulders, and we're about to now test. I mean, we are testing the highs from the middle of May, from about 2 weeks ago, being about 42, 42.50. And mind you guys, look at this on the intraday chart. We hit 42.50 today, 43 bucks pretty much, and now we're struggling a little bit. So if we're able to push through that point and let's say take out 43, I'll set my alert right there. Actually, I'll do it right now. Might as well before I forget. If we're able to break out of that point, guys, we could be seeing this move towards 47, 47.50, the highs from April, mid-April, early April. That's where we could be going. And percentage-wise, that is roughly, let's say we go from 43 to 47 roughly, that'd be about 9%, 8-9%, which is pretty decent there, guys. And I'm confident that that could happen. Will it happen for sure? No, it's not guaranteed. Nothing's guaranteed in the stock market, guys. But I'm watching that regardless, and my alert is set at 43 bucks per share. So what do you guys think? Those are the three stocks: Netflix, Chewy, and Roblox. And the markets in general today, guys, are crushing it. We were red a little bit earlier, but now we have all the indexes up. We have SPY up 0.7%. We have the NASDAQ up. The NASDAQ 100's up 0.8%. The Russell's up 1.3%. And we have the Dow up, let me see, 0.5%. Pretty good there. And you guys can see we're seeing a massive move here in SPY intraday. We hit roughly 417. And look at that. We held 417 on the dot. I'm telling you guys, that's a big spot there. We held it. Now we're running a 420. We're up almost 1% off that low. That's looking great. And on triple Q, we can see this is off of, let's see, from 346.70. Now it's pushing 350 and a half. It is up over 1% off that low. That's looking good. So what do you guys think? And of course, I'll make more videos later, so make sure to subscribe, hit that like button as well. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to get up to 16 stocks for Moomoo, each up to 2,000 bucks. The clock's ticking, guys. Use that link down below or go to stassurfest.com/Moomoo. Once you open up an account, you get one free share of stock right off the bat, and fund your account with at least 100 bucks. You get 5 more stocks, and fund your account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 16 free stocks. And if you guys want 12 more stocks from Webull with any amount deposited, you might as well get those linked down below as well. And check out my Patreon if you guys want to be a part of the Patreon portfolio, the Discord chat. If you want to see my charts and ideas throughout the day, that's linked down below. Now's the best time to try it out. Sign up, try it out. It's the first of the month. Check it out down below. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys later.